Looking to build a powerful gaming PC for just 800 bucks? Today we're putting together an all-rounder gaming rig that delivers serious performance without crushing your wallet. Stick around to see exactly what we've picked and why every part matters. Let's kick it off with the heart of any gaming rig, the graphics card. We're going with the RTX 3060 from Gigabyte, the WindForce OC edition. With 12 gigs of GDDR6 memory and solid boost performance, it handles 1080p gaming like a champ, and can even push into 1440p territory for many titles. Thanks to Gigabyte's WindForce cooling system, it stays quiet even under load, which is perfect for those who want a silent setup. Compared to the older 2060 or even AMD's RX 6600, this card gives you more VRAM and better ray tracing support, especially when paired with DLSS. Definitely check out the links in the description if you want to snag one of these at the best price. Powering this build is the Intel Core i5-12400F. Now, this chip may not have flashy performance cores and efficiency cores like newer models, but for gaming, it's a beast. 6 high-performance cores mean you're getting snappy response and great multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing video. What I really like about the CPU is how cool and efficient it runs, even under load. And when paired with the RTX 3060, it creates a super balanced gaming system. If you want more builds like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. For the motherboard, we've got the H610M HV3 from Gigabyte. It's a budget-friendly board with just what we need. Support for 12th gen CPUs, one M2 slot for fast storage, and basic expansion options. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done without draining the budget. One thing to keep in mind, it only supports DDR4 memory, so we had to switch from our original DDR5 plan to something more compatible, which we'll cover next. RAM is where we had to pivot. Since the motherboard doesn't support DDR5, we're going with 16GB of DDR4 at 3200 MHz, which is still perfect for gaming. 16 gigs is the sweet spot right now, and having it in a dual channel setup means you're getting the best performance this platform can offer. Storage is handled by Kingston's NV3 1TB NVMe drive. With fast boot times and speedy game loading, it gives you the performance of a premium SSD at a really competitive price. And with a whole terabyte, you'll have more than enough space for your OS and your entire game library. Cooling-wise, we're going with the SE903XT from ID Cooling. It's compact, quiet, and perfectly sized for mid-tower cases. With 3 heat pipes and a 92mm fan, it handles the 12400F's heat output with ease, keeping your system cool and stable during gaming sessions. For power, we're using the 750W fully modular unit from GameMax. Now, while the branding might not be as big as Corsair or EVGA, this unit packs enough wattage for future upgrades and delivers clean power with great cable management thanks to its modular design. The added ARGB is a nice bonus for those who care about aesthetics. Wrapping it all up, the GameMax View case gives you a sleek design with plenty of room to build in. It supports larger motherboards, has solid airflow for cooling, and that tempered glass side panel lets you show off your build. It's easy to work in and looks way more premium than its price suggests. And that's the full $800 gaming build. With a little smart shopping and part pairing, we've created a system that handles modern gaming like a pro, without overspending. All the product links are down in the description if you want to build this exact rig yourself. Don't forget to hit like, leave a comment if you have questions, and of course, subscribe for more PC builds and tech content. Catch you in the next one.